Hi, I'm Risa. I graduated Pharmacy Assistant with the Practicum Program at East Vancouver, and this is my workplace. After I finished all the courses in East Vancouver, I took my Practicum in Shoppers Drug Mart Pharmacy, and after my Practicum, I got hired. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of my pharmacy. Our pharmacy is the busiest pharmacy around this area, so we're usually working with 6 pharmacy assistants and 3 pharmacists in a weekday, and we get thousands of prescriptions every day. The first section of the pharmacy is called drop-off. We begin with ask customers how can we help with today. Most customers are for prescription medication, so we take their prescription from the doctor. The next step will be verify their information, and the most common question will be asked is birthday, have you been to this pharmacy, and do you have a piece of ID with you? After patient has been verified, we process the prescription, and the next process of the pharmacy will be filling station. At the filling station, the right prescription with the right drugs, which is usually identified by DIN number. At the filling station, the correct prescription with the right drug, which is usually identified by the DIN number, is used. The right drug and the right prescription are scanned into the system, and the number of pills are counted. After you count the right amount of the pills, you transfer to the right size of the vial, and the vial is labeled with the correct patient information and finally passed to the pharmacist. So the pharmacist goes through and makes sure that everything is correctly dispensed and there is no error. When the prescription is ready for the final stage, it's called the pickup. The patient comes in to pick up the prescription. We identify the patient with last name, first name, and the address. And if there is a charge, patient has to pay for it. And if it's a new medication, patient has to be consulted by the pharmacist. And this is the end of the whole process of our prescription, from the drop-off to the pickup. Next section will be how Shoppers Drug Mart Pharmacy hired me.
Okay, hi, my name is Michael. I'm the pharmacy manager at Shoppers Drug Mart in Southgate Plaza. I've had the pleasure of working with Risa Ogata, Sprott College, sorry. I've had the pleasure of working with her. She's been a great addition to the team here. She's had her rotations as a student here, and we loved her so much that we actually hired her on board in our staff. And she's learned a lot here. She's come a long way. We love her work ethic and attitude. I think those are the most positive things about her. No matter how crazy or busy it gets, she always pushes through and manages stress very well. So we've loved Risa here so far. I'm not sure what her plans are going forward, but we love to have her in our team.
Overall, I'm glad I took a pharmacy assistant with the Practicum Program at Sprott College.